Hi, this is Darren from 1KADaystrategies.com with a review of Grand Champion from David Kahn and Philip Johansson. Grand Champion it has a headline, "The Proven System That Turned a Broke College Student into an Online Sales Generating Champion." So with Grand Champion, I'm going to show you, it says one-time setup, continue profiting for life, new modern method, perfect for the new era, newbie friendly, anyone can do this, step-by-step training, no guesswork, works in any niche, all secrets revealed, battle tested, not theory. The proven system that turned two broke guys into $1,650 per day online champions, and how you can do the same within 24 hours. So it go in the training here. It's a comprehensive, step-by-step, easy to access training done by Philip Johansson and David Kahn. Some of the things that they share are some of the deep secrets that most people don't talk about, which do make the difference between making sales and not making sales, and they do present it in an extremely clear and easy to follow manner. If this is of any interest to you, keep watching. I'll go into it in a bit more depth. But with this, there are a few things that I consider are missing. So what I've done, I've spent quite a bit of time today putting together some bonuses that I think plug all the holes that I've seen in Grand Champion. It's an excellent training from start to finish, but there are a few holes. But if you watching this on YouTube, if you click the link below this video, this will bring you to my review page. If you're already on my review page, if you click any of these yellow buttons, it will take you to the sales page for Grand Champion here, which is available for the crazy price of $12.95. On this page, I'll go through all the OTOs, an explanation of each OTO, and 9, if not 10, bonuses that I think plug all the holes that are in Grand Champion, so that you have a complete system from start to finish. Once you pick it up, you'll get an email from Warrior Plus, which would look a little bit like this. When you click your link in your email, you'll have a green button that you click to access your copy of Grand Champion, which would take you to your training area here, and then this blue button, it will give you access to all these bonuses. So if I just tell you a little bit about the bonuses that I think plug the holes with Grand Champion, and then we'll dive in. We'll have a quick look on the inside. Obviously, you can go through the sales page in your own time. You can click any of these yellow buttons to review the sales page, so you can go through the sales page in your own time. But with bonus number one, for Grand Champion, I've included a full software that provides you an autoresponder and a squeeze page software builder. So part of the training within Grand Champion, it shows you all the things behind getting leads, building your list, getting commissions, and creating sales in any marketplace, in any niche, not just in Make Money Online, but in any niche. So whether you wanted to promote any clickbank offers in a multitude, whether it's health, relationships, or anything like that, that's gone into in Grand Champion. But part of the process that you will need is that you will need a autoresponder and squeeze page software. In Grand Champion, David Kahn does show you what he personally uses. They are paid programs, but at least with bonus number one, it gets you going without paying anything extra than the entry fee of $12.95 for Grand Champion. With bonus number two, also within Grand Champion, it explains the use of funnels, the power of using a funnel correctly, how to do it, how to set things up from start to finish, and the mindset behind it and the theory behind it as to what makes them work. So with bonus number 2, I've included a free funnel and membership site software, so you can create funnels. You can also create membership sites that you can also create sell continuity programs with, but you can also deliver your own products. You can also deliver your own bonuses through your membership site software. So with bonus number 2, you've got funnel and membership site software with lifetime access. Bonus number 3, with Grand Champion, because it shows you how to make money from start to finish online, even if you're a complete beginner. You've got the processes of how to make $40,000, free training, mindset, introduction to Grand Champion. You've got your weapons, as in your value ladder. Your value ladder it gives you the full picture from start to finish of what you aim for, each of the steps of the way, as to when you get people through the front end of your funnel. It also tells you about product selection. It says Aweber setup, so if with Aweber setup, if you've already got Aweber, if you've got get response, it tells you how to do that. But at least with bonus number 1, you've already got an autoresponder software available. But with bonus number 3, it gives you the additional traffic, because it shows you how to get traffic into the programs that you're promoting, so that you can get far more leads, far more traffic, and far more sales and far more commissions. With bonus number 4, because with Grand Champion it shows you, 1, how to set things up, how to make sales. It tells you that the full structure from overview. There's a full overview that shows you what you do. You've got your opt-in, you've got your follow-up sequences, which you'll get covered at least with bonus number 1. It also shows you what's needed. It shows you the structure of your opt-in page. Again, with bonus number 1, you've got that covered. The videos that you integrate within your system, and it also tells you about email marketing. It tells you about hidden traffic sources. It tells you about paid traffic sources, but it also tells you about free traffic sources. So to broaden it out, it does give you quite a degree of options for getting free traffic and paid traffic, so that you can earn far more commissions, make far more sales. With bonus number 3, you get the additional software that gets you free buyer traffic from Instagram and from Twitter. With bonus number 4, you get additional software so that you can get traffic and leads in all types of areas that are available via Facebook. Bonus number 5, you've got video marketing domination software. Within the training, they do cover, Dan and Philip cover, how to get free traffic from YouTube. The thing that you tend to find, which I've found as you do more of these campaigns, is that you need to scale. You need to get more work done in a shorter amount of time. So with bonus number 5, to assist you with the free traffic training in there, you've got some video marketing domination software that helps you automate traffic getting via YouTube. Bonus number 6, with all of these you will need to use some form of imagery, video content elements, graphics, etc. So to help you with all of that, with bonus number 6, I'll give you full access, your own platform, where you can access 5 million media that you can use for videos, photos, and even an editor in there, so you can adjust them to match any one of the campaigns that you are working with. With bonus number 7, to again getting traffic into the front end of the system that David and Philip show you, that all starts with your opt-in. and then your follow-up videos and your autoresponder sequences. So with bonus number 7, you've got additional software to ramp this up. So it's a viral frenzy funnel traffic sucking software, so it gets you not just one amount of traffic, one visitor to the front end, it gets multitude escalating on top of each other, and naturally grows without any paid traffic. Bonus number 8, as in the training, you've got free traffic methods and alternative free traffic methods via Facebook, YouTube and Facebook. To branch this out a little bit more, you've got some hidden YouTube ads traffic system. So if you want to take it to a whole new level, once you've got commissions coming in on a daily basis, you can ramp things up by using YouTube ads, which work extremely well. So with bonus number 8, it shows you how to ramp it up even more using paid ads on YouTube. Bonus number 9, with all of these, particularly with this opt-in, with this incentive, on the front end, you need to offer something of benefit, something of value, which is part of the value proposition that Dan explains. With bonus number 9, you get 39 high quality bonuses that you can give away. You can use them as giveaways for people coming in on the front end, but you can also utilize them as the incentive to get people to opt in on the front end. The final bonus is that you'll get all of the vendor bonuses as well. And like I say, if you're watching on YouTube, just click the link below. If you're actually on this review page, on my review page, all you need to do is click any of these yellow buttons and you can pick up all your bonuses by going to your Warrior Plus email after your purchase and just clicking the blue button. So just looking at the Grand Champion sales page, as we've said, it works in any niche. This works on tried and tested methods. There's a particular process that Dan uses to pre-qualify every word that he puts onto a page so that it matches a target audience that he is speaking to. And Dan has been testing it for the past 9 months and has found a sweet spot on how to get it to work. So within the Grand Champion training, what's quite unique to Grand Champion is that Dan actually explains how to qualify your dream customer so that your funnels, your opt-in pages, and each step of the process is written and finely tuned for the highest levels of conversions. Unlike many programs, at least with Grand Champions, it leaves out all the guesswork. Many programs introduce you to software, a few little techniques, but don't tell you the full A to Z. At least with Grand Champions, which I'm quite surprised about, and I can only applaud David and Philip for putting such a full program together. They've covered every aspect, so it reduces any opportunity of making any wrong steps along the way. But as I say, you can go through the sales page in your own time. So with the front end you get access to the powerful Grand Champion software and training modules. Now I see that it says that it gives you access to the software and the training modules. I have been through it and I can see all the training. The training is excellent. I haven't seen training much better than this. The software it does introduce you to, there are free trials to all the software it introduces you to, but virtually none of it is free. So that's where these bonuses come in. At least you're going to get full lifetime access for software to plug the holes with this. So with the front end, you're for the $12.95 you get access to all the training and the software that they're suggesting and introducing you to, but at least if you pick it up via any of my links, you'll get the software to cover it anyway as part of the bonuses. Upsell number 1 is the Champions Arsenal, which is $37. You'll get a full 30-day campaign that is proven by Dan himself to generate inconsistent sales over and over again. Dan is highly successful at using these methods that are in here and generates thousands of dollars each month doing this. And what you get with Upsell number 1, you get one of his full 30-day campaigns, so that includes all the full 30 days of follow-up emails that are already proven to convert and proven to get sales. With Upsell number 2, which is $67, you'll get Dan's personal solo ad funnel for the make money online niche that he personally uses to get instant sales to hit the leaderboards. With upsell number 3, you get the ultimate champion, which is $47. You'll get the exact campaign that Dan uses to generate high ticket sales, ranging from $856 a day to $1,712 per day. This campaign will ensure that all leads that enter the funnel will be maximised, and your customers has the potential to 10x their income. Upsell number 4, meet the champions. You'll be able to have one-on-one coaching. Now this is completely and utterly crazy. You get one-on-one coaching with the champion himself, where you can pick Dan's brains to unlock the secrets to becoming an internet marketing champion. Dan has held these coaching calls before and managed to help many people land their first high ticket sale. With upsell number 5, Champions Arena, $147, you will dominate the battlefield as you receive commissions from all of Dan and Philip's past products, get license rights to Superstar Cash Rain, Kingdom Builder, Dark Knight Commission, High Ticket Hero, Forsaken Traffic and Grand Champion. Resell rights to numerous products of Dan's and Philip's, including this Grand Champion product itself. But just picking up for the $12.95, you'll get all these bonuses that I've already been through. So if you have any questions, that's Darren from 1KADaystrategy.com. You can post any questions at the bottom of this review page. You can post any questions below the video on YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Again, that's Darren from 1KADaystrategy.com, and I'll speak to you soon.